Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie for all you guys that are new here. In this video, we're going to be doing a summer try-on haul. All these pieces of clothing I've had, but I've just paired them all together with everything. Summery outfits that I think will look cute, or just like casual outfits as well. I've thrown in some sportier ones that I just wear in the summer, just in general. All these clothes are from a ton of different places like Princess Polly, American Eagle, Shein, Walmart, Urban Outfitters too. Make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram. I usually post pretty frequently and try to keep you guys up to date on what I'm doing. I post polls and questions on what you guys would like to see next, and that is kind of why I'm doing this summer try-on haul to begin with. A lot of you have requested like a clothing haul, and I'm super excited to give it to you because I love watching clothing hauls. Follow me on Instagram so you can be up to date on everything that's going on. Let's jump right into it. So for the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is just the outfit that I have on. American Eagle little cropped shirt. It has buttons right here. It's like oversized. I've thrifted a lot of striped boyish button collared shirts like this too, so if you really like this American Eagle one, I'm sure you can find one at a thrift store for like $2. And the other thing that I have are these Levi shorts. They're kind of distressed. They're Levi's, which I love. They're like frayed at the bottoms. I got these at a Plato's Closet for relatively pretty cheap, considering that Levi shorts go for almost $100 for a good vintage pair. So I was super happy about these find for 15 bucks. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this white t-shirt. I got this from American Eagle. It's from Aerie. They're super nice quality. I love these Aerie t-shirts. So it's just these white t-shirt, and then I'm pairing it with these Levi denim overalls. These are so adorable. I absolutely love these. I've been wanting to go out and take Instagram pictures in them, so I really hope I get around to that soon because I just love these Levi look. I love how they're baggy and oversized. They're adjustable straps. I actually ordered these off Amazon for a cheaper price. They were originally like $70, but I got them for like $35. Getting these for $35 was a steal, especially when they've been seen on Urban Outfitters going for $100. So I love this outfit, pairing it with a white t-shirt underneath. Overall, these are just super cute. Up next, I have this shirt that I've actually had for quite some time, but it is like my favorite shirt. It's my go-to summery shirt. So girly, cute because it has the cute little ruffles on for the straps, and it just looks very dainty and delicate, which I just think is so cute, and it's cropped. I got this from PacSun, and I'm pairing it with these light colored mom jeans. I actually got these jeans from the men's aisle in Walmart. These are the jeans that I've seen the TikToks on that you go shopping for Walmart clothes and then they make them really cute. So I just frayed the bottom. The boys jeans, so they fit a little bit tighter in the butt area, but then they're looser at the leg, which makes a perfect mom jean fit. So if you want a great pair of mom jeans, I recommend going to Walmart and getting $8 mom jeans. Super adorable. I actually wore that outfit in my aesthetic room tour, so if you want to see me more in that outfit, go check out my aesthetic room tour video. The next item that I have is one of my favorite things. I cannot wait to wear this. It is so adorable. Is this cute little ruffly skirt that I got from Shein for maybe 10 bucks. It is super cute. It has a zipper right here, and then it has a tie on the side of the hip, so because it actually is kind of loose on me, but I can tie it really tight around my waist, which is super helpful. I cannot wait to wear this for like a wedding dance or something like that. And then I just paired it with just a white cropped cami, and actually this was another steal got from Walmart. These are just cheap Walmart camis that I got for $2, and I cropped it. That was a $12 outfit, and I could not be more happy with it. That specific outfit, I think I'm going to pair it with these white platform sandals. The next outfit that I have are just these plain black biker shorts that I got from American Eagle. These are so comfy and stretchy. They are not see-through at all. They feel more like leggings than spandex material, which is actually really comfy. So it just feels like a pair of leggings, but just into shorts. I paired them with just this oversized Puma t-shirt. I actually got this one thrifted too for like $2 at a Goodwill store. And I paired this outfit with a pair of Champion white sneakers. I also got these from Plato's Closet, which were probably originally around $100, but I got them for $20 at Plato's Closet. I love these white sneakers. They look so good with this outfit. The next outfit I got is just this cute little princess ruffled shirt, which is so girly and cute. I love that it's like a square neckline, which is so flattering on people. And I actually want to get some more like square necklines because I absolutely love the way that they look now. I actually got this shirt from Poshmark. I was just scrolling through my Poshmark and I was like, that looks like something Princess Polly's website would have. And I got it for like $10, so I ordered that. Super adorable. I love this shirt. I can't wait to wear it more this summer. And I paired that cute shirt with these pair of Levi Mom Jeans. And they just have like a little distressing in the knee. And they're super high-rise, which I love super high-rise stuff now. These are a little long on me, so I just like roll them up. I actually got these Levi jeans also off Poshmark for only $18, which was a steal because they were listed at like $40, but I really negotiated with them. I negotiated with the girl for literally a day trying to get the lowest price out of these jeans, and she finally accepted my offer at like $18. Huge bargain considering that these Levi's are found on Urban Outfitters for $100. Or these black sandals with them too. These shoes kind of look like Steve Madden shoes, but they're not. I got these at Payless for $20 last summer. They look so darling on with my outfit. The next outfit I have are these thrifted mom jean shorts. They were originally boy jeans that were super big. They're still honestly really big in the waist area, but with a belt, I really cinch them to my waist. With a belt, they fit me great. I love how they're really baggy in like the butt and leg area. These are actually Eddie Bauer vintage jeans. So I love how they look like that vintage coloring, and I actually just rolled them up so they looked a lot more put together. I also love how they have big pockets too. I think that looks so good. I paired those pair of jean shorts with this cute halter neck from Princess Polly. It's just a black basic halter top, which is so soft, and it's kind of ribbed material. It's kind of cropped, but it's not super cropped, so it doesn't show my stomach that much. This is a typical summer outfit, just a pair of jean shorts and a cute halter tank top. Perfect for the summer, perfect to just throw on for the beach or something. The next outfit I have is a skirt that I actually have never worn before, but I want to wear it, and I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I want to wear it because it's such an adorable summer outfit. Urban Outfitters little mini skirt. It's just a plaid skirt. I've seen these skirts all over Urban Outfitters and Brandy Melville and Pinterest, and I think they look so cute in them, but I just don't really know when I would wear it. But it's still such a cute summer outfit that I just want to wear so bad, but I just don't know what to wear it to. And I'm pairing it with this cropped white t-shirt. I actually got this t-shirt from Walmart. It's a men's t-shirt that I just cropped, but I got it in a medium, so it was a little more oversized. So when I cropped it, it wasn't so tight fitting. It was just kind of more of a flare shirt. The next outfit I'm going to show you guys is a lot more laid back, chill outfit. If you are just hanging out with friends or you don't want to dress up and you just want like more of a chill vibe, which I actually do a lot. I don't dress up and wear skirts and jeans and tight shirts all the time, trust me. I always gotta have some nice chill outfits to throw in there as well. So I actually thrifted this Champion crop crew neck. I cut it at the bottom and then I sewed it off so it wasn't fraying at the end. And it's super nice crew neck. It's super thick, and it even has that underlying layer with it to give it extra warmth. And it's just nice and oversized, and just the perfect oversized crew neck to throw on if you're feeling lazy and just want to be comfy. I paired it with these oversized shorts as well. I also DIY'd these. I picked up these shorts originally at a thrift store, and they were super long basketball shorts, but I cut them off, I rolled them up, I sewed them, and now they're just super oversized, baggy, gray cotton shorts that I love to just lounge around in. And I would just be ready to go to a bonfire in this and roast some marshmallows by the fire and just have a chill night in this outfit. The next outfit that I have is this spaghetti strap little cropped cami. I also got this one from Walmart. Let me tell you guys, Walmart is the hack to cute summer clothes. You can go get a tank top, crop it, it's cute. Go get a pair of men's oversized jeans, crop the ends, crop where the legs are, bam, super cute pair of mom jeans or a pair of jean shorts. Walmart is your go-to for summer clothes. So I got the spaghetti strap, red cutoff tank top from there. I cropped it myself and I paired it with these Wrangler jean shorts. I actually found these in the little boys aisle at Goodwill. They were actually jeans at first and then I cut them into shorts. I distressed them a little bit. I put a hole in them and I frayed off the ends a little bit. And I love little boys jeans because they have growth tucks in them, so you can tighten or loosen them however you want, so you don't have to necessarily wear a belt with them. I think that is also just a really basic outfit, just to throw on a pair of jean shorts and just a plain spaghetti strap cami and you will be looking amazing. It's just super easy to just throw on a pair of jean shorts and like a cropped cami and just look so cute and put together. And it's really not that hard to go get a plain basic cami and your favorite pair of jean shorts. So you really can't go wrong with that kind of outfit. The next outfit I have is kind of more of a casual outfit, but it still looks really cute and put together. I have this Nike yellow cropped t-shirt. It was actually a longer t-shirt that I found at Goodwill and I cropped it, and so now it's just like this nice oversized Nike shirt. And then I paired it with my favorite pair of jeans that I own are these Levi vintage high-rise mom jeans. These are my favorite jeans. They're mom jeans, but they're a little long, so I can like cuff them up at the ends, and they just look so 90s and vintage that I am so in love with these. And then with the little Nike cropped t-shirt, it just looks so casual. I got these Levi jeans from Poshmark as well. You guys can get some steals off Poshmark. I just typed in Levi Mom Jeans and tons of different things came up. I negotiated with the girl for these jeans as well. I think I got these jeans for 30 bucks, which is just a steal. Got these jeans, they fit me perfect. Couldn't have asked for a better pair of jeans. And the last outfit that I have is just a nice, comfy, casual outfit, but also still be cute. So I have this American Eagle little cropped maroon cami. I love this cami. It's just, this is my go-to cami. I almost wear this shirt like probably once or twice a week. It's just such a basic staple piece that I have in my wardrobe that I wear all the time, just like under layers and stuff. I paired it with these baggier Under Armour shorts. These are my favorite pair of athletic shorts because they don't have that spandex or even underwear in them, which some people like the underwear and the spandex in them, but which I'm not really a fan. I like them baggier, which just makes it so much more comfier. I threw on over the top this zip up. I got this from, you guessed it, Walmart for 8 bucks, maybe $5, and I wear this zip up hoodie all the time. I got it in a size medium, so it was more oversized. Outfit looked really casual. I love that outfit. I wear that hoodie and shorts and shirt all the time. And that is it for my 2020 summer try-on haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys found this helpful for you. Please make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment on which outfit that you liked best, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye, guys.